sinipag ako ngayon. So, ito, banana. 4 na banana, guys. 2 maliit na apple. And then, I put some chocolate Nesquik. And I put some eggs, oil, gatas, and sugar, baking powder, and baking soda. Guys, tikman natin ang ating cake. Luluto ko lang, guys. Slice na natin. Yan. Kuha lang tayo ng 2 maliit na slices. Yan. Tikman natin, guys. Ang ating niluto. Ito yung apple o skin ng apple. It become black. Naluto nun, become black yung red. See? Yan na tayo, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!